Hey, what's up, guys? I got this Briggs and Stratton 2.5 horsepower, 10-gallon air compressor here that I'm gonna try to fix up today. I got this for 20 bucks. The only problem is it only goes up to 40 psi, so it's only good enough for like filling up like tires and spray painting and stuff like that. But we need to get that a little higher. When you test it out, there is a leak coming from here, so I took this apart and down here, and basically the seal that comes out of here is this, and it's dry rotted. And I tried looking for the seal, but I couldn't find it. I ordered one from this company, but it was too small, so I ended up having to buy the whole piece, which was only $16 on Amazon. So whatever. I'm gonna put this together and see if this will do it. The seal is right there, right above my thumb. That's the only part I need, because I believe that this is okay, because everything else is working fine on this. But since I can't find that seal anywhere, I just went ahead and spent the $16 on this. This has the seal, and this has all new mechanics here. So let's pop this in and let's see if it works. And yeah, let's check it out. Doing all this with one hand. So this could also cause a problem here. I don't know if you guys could see, but this is also rusted and dry rotted. I think it's just to make this nut stop. Hopefully that's it. Hopefully it has no seal purpose. Yeah, I think that's all it is. I don't think it's gonna have a seal purpose. Cool. All right, next I'm gonna wire this up. I'm gonna take the old one out and take the old wiring off of this and put it all onto this one. Wire it up. Let's go. Okay, cool. I got one side wired. Okay guys, there's a little copper piece right above that big thick copper piece. So you want to put that right in between the two copper pieces. Give it a shot. All right, here we go. Okay, so I have the brackets on there. I got all my wires wired in. Now it's time to put these pieces back together. Wasn't there one more? Oh yeah, this piece. Let's put that back together. Hey, I'm all done installing the pressure switch. Now is the moment of truth. Remember, this thing only held 40 psi. So there was a leak coming out of here. I replaced this. Let's turn this on, see what happens. Yeah, baby! 130 PSI. This thing's only rated for 125. That's awesome. And listen closely. No leaks. That is great. $36, guys. $36 for this thing. $20 for the air compressor off of OfferUp, and $16 for the pressure switch off of Amazon. 36 bucks. 10 gallons, 2.5 horsepowers, ready to build some stuff. Heck yeah. Woo! And here's a little clip of part 2. Go ahead and check out the link inside the description box.